Hi, Sarah from RTO Materials. How are you? I'm very excited to announce the fact that MyRTO.AI is now live. You've been seeing our marketing over the last few months telling you all about this amazing tool that has learnt from all of RTO Materials IP. We've taught it how to do all sorts of things to help save you time and money. Go and check out the website, MyRTO.AI. You'll see that we have early adopter pricing there, where you can subscribe to this tool from as little as $60 per month. Amazing. Go and check it all out. If you've got questions, get in touch. We will look forward to telling you more and more about what we're doing with this and what our customers are doing with it. During the trials that we've been doing, customers have come up with some fantastic new ways to use it. There are tutorials once you subscribe to show you how to do all the things we've taught it to do, but we are also excited to see what you guys end up doing with it. So we're on this journey together, but let's start. Go and check out the website, MyRTO.AI, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks.